Namaskaram everyone. Hope you are doing abundant. As you all are aware, it's a Lionsgate portal on 8th of August. It's a rare combination this time as it is a triple eight combination, which any of us do rarely get to see. Now, few beautiful 8 rituals that you can do on this day to attract abundance and prosperity in your lives. Let's get started. Number 1, please start with saging your home. The first and foremost is none of the rituals are ever gonna work if we have blocked stagnant energies at our home. This is a Bhimseni Kapoor. You would very easily get it at any puja shop. Please go ahead, buy this, burn camphor all over your home and say protect, 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 clear all my negative energies. The fumes of this should reach to each and every corner, ceiling of your room, of your home, of your washrooms, everywhere. First and foremost is cleansing of the home. The second one, to remove the stagnant energies of the home, is moving the furniture. Try moving all the items, even if it is just by an inch, and putting it back to place. But try moving it so that it takes away the stagnant energies. Also, do not ever place your furniture exactly stuck to the wall. We need to have the energy flows at home always. So just keep it a little bit in front of it with few gap of few inches. Third ritual, pick up a beautiful paper, preferably a green color. If you do not have a green, any color would do. Make a infinity symbol here. Write down your 8 wishes in present tense. Suppose you're looking for a job, you're looking for a relationship, you're looking for some abundance in life, some health, some prosperity, some house, property, anything. Write, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for giving me that. Write these 8 wishes of yours on a beautiful piece of paper. Stick it to the place where you sleep, where you put your head. See those every day. Keep repeating all these affirmations on a daily basis. Fourth one, draw an infinity symbol on your Venus palm. Both of your palms draw an infinity symbol. Next, pick up a copper bowl, place some yellow mustard seeds in it and put it in the northeast of your home. You could easily check it with the compass and your phone and place it in your northeast. If possible, you can put a silver coin as well in it. This is to attract abundance and prosperity at home. Whatever rituals you do, please do it with complete faith. Pray whenever you place a new thing at your home, just put it on your third eye. Pray to the universe, pray to whomsoever you follow and ask for your wish to get manifested. Then you can also take some white rice, color it with a little bit of turmeric, haldi, and you can just sprinkle it all over. And when you do, you say money like rice. This is a very beautiful ritual, tried and tested. Another one, you can make a turmeric water, haldi water, and you can sprinkle it on the main door of your house. When you do that, ask for Ma Lakshmi, ask for the angel of abundance to give lot of abundance and prosperity in your home. Another beautiful one, pick up a bay leaf, write 888 on it, manifest, pray for your wishes to get manifested, put it in your pillow when you sleep. You can make another 888, put it in your wallet to attract abundance and prosperity in your life. Last but not the least, you can go ahead and give about 9 fruities, any yellow fruities or any laddu or anything in yellow to poor kids in the evening that day. Whatever rituals you do, just have complete faith, all of it will be manifested. It just does not end on the 8th of August. The wishes that you have written in your paper, they need to be repeated every day. Affirmations need to be done every day on the food you eat, on the water that you intake, and see how the abundance is manifested in your life. Have a beautiful, abundant life always. Bless you.